Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this 2020 21-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. Enjoy this close-up video walkthrough. 21 Montauk's got a monster forward casting platform. This is a bay boat with offshore attitude and plenty of room for entertainment. This boat's got the low profile grab handles on either side. This whole bow can be cushioned. A couple of forward rod holders that double as backrests, inserts. 94 quart igloo cooler that acts as a forward jump seat, and fiberglass hardtop with white powder coating. White hull. As we move back, convenient access on the starboard side for a spot to put all your cushions, life jackets, catch-alls. Console's got a Raymarine Axiom GPS chart plotter, stainless helm, trim tabs, Merc digital throttle, 2 toe kicks, and then the live well helm seat that can be, the backrest can be adjusted either forward or aft facing. Convenient access from the stern for the well with gas shock, so the lid just stays open so you can grab baits easy. Rod holders on either side. Monster aft cockpit with dual jump seats on either side of this 200 horse Merc V6. Aft swim platform for boarding. Tons of space in this boat. It's a bay boat with offshore attitude. One more shot for you guys. Rocket launchers on back of the T-top. Additional rod storage. Again, this is Matt Norman at MarineMax Clearwater with this 21 Boston Whaler Montauk. Thank you for taking a look at it, and we'll see you on the water.